Alright y'all, so we're here in my parents' garage and we've got batteries and we've got a go-kart. So we're making an electric go-kart. Sound good? Alright. So we got some LG Chem cells here from battery hookup. They were pretty cheap, about 49 bucks per pack here, and actually one of these has 2 in them. I don't know if you guys can see that. They come with these nice little mounting holes and I think aluminum pack around it. You see the bottom of the cell and it's notched so they can be stacked real easy. And like these ones here, they actually stack pretty well and they don't come apart that easily. You're just trying to pull them. They came shipped in this container, packed well, but looks like this one had a little accident and didn't quite work so well for this bad boy here. I'm gonna email them though and see what they can do for me on that one. But yeah, basically what we're doing here is we're gonna build a really nice 8S pack with each of these 2 cells. I'm gonna see if I can take them and flip them around so that we can get a nice 2S pack for each one of these and then get a nice 4S pack for the whole thing. Let me show you what we're gonna be doing with that. So we're gonna be taking these and add them on this go-kart here. This right here is kind of perfect placement for this puppy. We're gonna line up the stack that we got and it's gonna sit beautifully in there. Now on this go-kart, you know, we've got DC motor here and we've got a brand new All-Trax SPM controller, the SPM 48225. It's got a working voltage of 24 to 48 at 225 amps. We'll be slightly below that, but we'll have room for expansion later. This one is pretty common on golf carts, but it should run this motor pretty nicely. We've had this here unit for a little bit, and now it's time to finally get her done. We had a gas one before this, and yeah, it was okay, but we're really looking for the power of the electric, so this will be a nice little project to do. We'll get some nice rips out of it once we're done. Yeah, so we got that pack there, and then we also got about 42 flat cells and batteries like that. I'll show you guys a picture of what they look like. Online. I'll put the link in the description so you can have a look at the cells. The specific ones that we bought here. These are the LG Chem cells. I think they're N2.1 or something like that. Don't get me wrong on them. They've got a pretty good spec sheet. And it should run this puppy real nice. But that's yet to be seen. So yeah. Electric go-kart with batteries from battery hookup. Alright, since this one's broken, we're gonna see if we can flip these 2 cells around. See if we can get it open. Looks like we've got some tabs here. Looks like there's a sheet of something in there. Foam. Alright, that was better than I expected. Got a little chip there, that's probably where I stuck the screwdriver in. So I'm not actually sure which sides these are positive and negative, so I'm gonna grab the multimeter so we can check these. Alright, I got the old multimeter out. Let's see what this one's sitting at. It looks like we are 3.571. So that was negative. So this is the right way. So positive, negative. Let me go find a Sharpie. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, we got a Sharpie, and I said this one's positive, so let's mark that bad boy. And this one here is negative. Let's flip it over and do the same just in case we end up using one side and not the other. Alright, let's check this back here. It looks like the tabs are actually a different material. I think we've got copper and then aluminum. I cannot confirm, so I will not try to get anything on those for solder. So we've got 3.577, which is close enough to put together. So we've got another positive here and another negative here. Great, looks good. All right, so I couldn't find any super glue, so we're just gonna have to come back to this one. I will put this one kind of back together until we figure it out. All right, we're gonna set this puppy back until I can get me some of that super glue, fix the casing. And I think we were like this. All right, we'll go on to the next one. All right, so I actually don't have what I need to get this done today, so that's gonna have to be part 2, but I'll show you what I have been doing thus far. So I'll walk over to the controller here. So on this SBM controller, we've gone ahead and started to mock up and wire some things here. We've got our solenoid to handle the high current. We've got a fuse in line here. We've got our 2 solenoid voltages going here to turn that on. As it said in the instructions, got this mount on here. Got a cable that's gonna be mounted here that goes to the motor. So this one here goes to the motor, and then this one here also goes to the motor. Kind of routed it under the seat a little bit, and then up to the motor here. And there's that other wire that I was telling you about that I need to get connectors for. We've got another one here. This one goes to the battery pack, so it runs along the same path. And it's going out back here. Gotta cut and trim that once we figure out battery placement and all that. Yeah, so that's just about what we got so far. I ran out of these little connectors here, so kind of shut down for the night. And yeah, that's about all we got done. But yeah, next time we will get some of these connectors on there, get this all wired up all the way to the back, maybe figure out some ways of securing this. We will be back with more tools and everything we need. All right, so we just got home and unloaded these bad boys out of that box there from battery hookup. We got some of these puppies here. I'm not sure. Maybe you guys can look that up. But on battery hookup, they are 8 amp hour, 3.6 or 3.7 volt cells, and 120 amp, I want to say. I'm not sure, not positive, don't quote me on that. Look at the link in the description. But yeah, these are 42 here. We did a group buy with some of the boys, so not all of these are ours, but yeah, we're gonna make a nice pretty little pack out of some of it. And might show you guys some of that. But yeah, there are the cells. They come with this really nice looking protective sleeve over the things here. I'm not sure what this is made of, but it's sticky, it holds true, and it's about this fit of this here. Really nicely stacked. These little cell holders are also like pinned, so some of them break off. It doesn't like pin the best, but let me see if I can get one out to show you guys. Alright, so see that nub there? That lines up with that hole right there. And yeah, kinda slots in. It's not the best, but yeah, see that there? That's made it. But as you can see, these are also from either 2 different batches or 2 different size cases we got here. We got a few, just like, they can still kind of interlock okay. But the main thing is the big center hole lines up, so if you want to put a nice threaded rod through there and build your pack, it does actually line up. I don't know if you can see the light through there. Yeah, let's see. It does line up. Yep, there we go. So yeah, if you're planning to make your packs that way, they ran out of the ones without the cell holder, so these are the best we can get. There was $4 per cell, and then that's pretty lightweight. I mean, this is nothing right here. There's tons of energy. So yeah, that is all we've got. It should be pretty fun. But yeah, we will test these puppies. Alright, catch you guys later.